In this video, I will show you how to change Discord server name. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see currently on Discord. Now to change your server name, what you're going to want to do is come over to your server list on the left hand side and select the server that you want to change your name for. Now once you've done that, you'll be taken into the server, and what you want to do from here is come up to the top left hand corner and click onto the server name to bring up this drop down menu. From this menu, you want to come down and click onto server settings, and when you come into here, you should see your server name at the top. So all you want to do is click into this box and change the name of the server to whichever name you want to change this to. Now once you've done those changes, make sure to click the Save Changes pop-up at the bottom of the page, just down here. So you want to click the green Save Changes button, and what that's going to do is change your server name. So you can just come out of the settings. As you can see now, our server name has been changed. So that is how to change Discord server name. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.